Jiffy's support team is available for any questions or concerns that you may have. To contact Jiffy, tap on the Settings button on the bottom right. Select Contact Us. You will see 3 options to choose from: Contact Support, Email, or you can text us. If you choose to text us, please note that we cannot receive any photos or files via text message. To chat with support, choose the Contact Support button. This will bring you to our chat feature. Simply click Send us a message and a new chat will be created. For general inquiries or help with clients, we recommend starting a new chat. If you're following up with somebody from our operations team, you'll find all of their responses under your messages. Here, you can find a history of any messages you've sent. If Jiffy's support team sends you a message, a notification will pop up in the app. Simply click on it to reply. That's it. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or concerns.